नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग कैसे हैं? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। यू आर मस्ट वेलकम टू एसएनएस वर्ल्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। टुडे आई स्टार्ट civics. You are citizen of India and you have to know about your rights, duties और गवर्नमेंट कैसे फंक्शन करता है. So civics word comes from civicus. Civicus which relate to citizens. Relate to citizens. सिटीजन्स का बारे में सिविक्स में बता गया है. योर फर्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ सिविक्स इज द यूनियन लेजिस्लेचर. Why it is written that union legislature? You know that our government federal setup means 28 states and 9 union territories. In federal setup, power is distribution between union and states. So today we discuss about union legislature. In your book given about composition and function. Legislature, it is known as parliament. It is bicameral. Here Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is known as lower house or house of the people. It is known as house of the people also. House of the people. And Rajya Sabha, it is known as upper house. Upper house. And it is known as Council of States. You know houses about parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, but another things, the organs of government, legislature, executive and judiciary. Legislature making laws, which now we are discussing about parliament. When you are hungry, you eat food. In kitchen, it prepare. Like that, parliament prepare rules and regulations through government runs. And executive who implement the rules and regulations, Prime Minister, President, executive. And judiciary courts, High Court, Supreme Court and other subsidiary courts. Then we discuss about the composition of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is election process. It is direct. People vote the members through adult franchise and use secret ballot. Here indirect. State legislative assembly, they elect Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha 552 members maximum. In 552, 530 members are elected from states, 20 from union territories and 2 are nominated. This is nominated. These are elected. Here 250 members are there. In 250, 238 members elected and 12 members nominated by the president. And here, who presiding officer? Speaker. And here, vice president. Then what are the qualification? Qualification for member of Lok Sabha: citizen, must be citizen of India, 25 years age, should not hold office of profit, and sound mind, not unsound mind. These are the qualifications. Here same, only age is difference 30 years. Then how speaker is elected? When first session of the parliament happen, at that time new members elect a speaker and he conduct the meetings. Session in a year at least 2 times happen. Maximum duration is 6 months. There are 3 sessions: budget session, monsoon session, and another one winter session. When session started, at that time speaker presiding the meeting and session summoned by president. He understand about the business of the house, and maintain discipline, systematic way he proceeding the all the meetings of the Lok Sabha. If any uncontrollable situation happen, then adjourn or suspend by speaker, and speaker's role is the final. Now speaker is Om Birla. Om Birla is now speaker. Rajya Sabha is known as permanent house because it not dissolve. Although within 2 years 1/3 of its members retire, but new members replace these seats. That's why it is not dissolved. Then term of Lok Sabha is 5 years, while Rajya Sabha is 6 years. But in 5 years, Lok Sabha may be dissolved by earlier by president consultation with prime minister. Then in Lok Sabha, the leader of the majority party chosen as prime minister, appointed by president. Now you know that who is prime minister? Narendra Modi, prime minister. He is the leader of the Lok Sabha, and he at first given name cabinet minister. Cabinet minister assist him to run the administration. How Lok Sabha controls the ministers. Control the ministers through motion, adjournment motion, and another one, no confidence. No confidence motion. Adjournment, if any serious situation happen, then Lok Sabha adjourn, cancel, and opposition party, if ruling party have no majority, at that time opposition party declare for no confidence motion. If no confidence motion passed, then all the ministers resign and president announcement for fresh elections. Like that, all the ministers responsible in the Lok Sabha when passing the bill, money will only originated in Lok Sabha. It advantage is that it is not originated in Rajya Sabha. And another things, quorum. Quorum means 1/10 members must be present for session. If not this much members, then it will be cancelled. Like that model in vice president proceeding Rajya Sabha, when vice president absent, at that time deputy chairman conduct the meeting. If anyone violate the law, then vice president suspend him. And if you compare Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha is more powerful because numerical strength, it has more members. When passing the bill, at that time Lok Sabha role is vital. But in the case of dissolve Lok Sabha, at that time Rajya Sabha takes charge of the country. I hope this web chart help you to clear understand. Like, share and comment this video and press the bell icon to get earlier information. Thank you.